Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Kitty Mitten. So guys, it's a year-ender of 2024. So it's bago lang nag-celebrate tayo ng Christmas yesterday. So it's 26 of 2024. So I just want to thank you, all of you guys, who always followed, subscribe, and watch on my channel, Kitty Mitten. Actually guys, it's my third that I changed my YouTube channel. The original is Risa Guapa, but because I love Kitty Mitten, so I changed it now. So it's final. So you are my mittens, my subscribers. So hi mga mittens, I'm your Kitty. So welcome to my channel, Kitty Mittens. So hoping this coming 2025 guys, marami pa akong maiba-vlog. Because guys, gustong-gusto ko talaga ang YouTube, ang passion ko talaga ang mag-vlog or my videos. Kahit hindi pa yun uso dati, wala pang mga sikat na mga subscribers. Gustong-gusto ko na talagang mag-videos, may mag-docs, ganun guys. So my first option is parang journal siya sa buhay ko. Diba, like the artist. Although, hindi naman ako kagaya ng mga famous na mga artista like Ivana, sila Zainab, and other famous vloggers. But I really love documenting my self-activities, like all levels and area, guys. So that's why when I decided that we ordinary can vlog, so in 2020, I guess it's summer. I just cannot particular the date, guys, where I started vlogging. So that's my nephew who told me, Tita, you can vlog like this, like that. So he's the one who's guiding me to have that channel. And starting that day one, I really love it. So every phase or every year is my 4th year, guys. So I know na hindi naman siya talaga yung ano ko guys is to just dox myself at what places where I came from. So maybe next time every places, but my passion talaga guys is the places that I visited, like other countries, and especially in our country, mga beautiful places. Because dati kasi guys, nung hindi pa ako dito sa Manila, I like to travel talaga guys. So I have the opportunity to travel the beautiful places in our country, hindi naman lahat, at saka doon sa ibang bansa guys. So ngayon na nandito na ako sa Manila, parang nabisi na din ako sa real estate guys. So parang dito na ang buhay ko, ang binablog ko. But my main purpose sa vlogging ko guys is doon mga beautiful places. But niride ko naman dyan sa ano ko is lahat na lang, anything under the sun, what my video comes from. So 2024 is come to an end. So I would like to thank you guys, to all my 2,800, I think 88 subscribers. So for me na hindi pa sikat, hindi famous, it's ano guys, milestone as a vlogger na magkaroon ka ng ganong subscribers. So I'm just happy that there's a few people that watching me or subscribe me. So hopefully it can give some ideas if you have vacations, if you want to go to another places, or kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga property, kasi nandito na din ako guys, or kung gusto nyo din parang inspiration na, lalo na yung gustong-gusto, di ba dati guys, we want na makita natin ang sarili natin sa TV. So ngayon, pwede na natin makita sa YouTube, sa sarili nating gawa. So ganun lang yun guys. So kahit anong era na nangyari sa buhay ko guys, no, kahit ngayon, gustong-gusto ko pa rin mag-vlog. Minsan I'm in the deepest or something na uncertainty sa buhay ko guys. Parang minsan mag-stop ako ganun. Pero babalik at babalik pa rin ako guys. So I'm really thankful na it's come 6 days or 5 days to go that 2024 will come to an end. So I would like to thank you guys, all my subscribers, especially on my TikToks. Thank you very much. I'm not really concentrating at B-Reels, but they say FB page, I should have to do that also. So, yeah, but my number one guys is YouTube, and then TikTok, then FB. Bumabalik na din ako sa Instagram ngayon guys. So hopefully I will concentrate it right now in social media, and also at the same time at my work. Because guys, my goals next year is I would like to travel again. So if given a chance and given a privilege to travel again, so I can show you na guys in videos, because I know na also how to videos travels ganon. Although ang dami-dami na guys, everyone could be a blogger. So ayun, so thank you very much guys once again for always supporting my blog, for always there. I'm so happy for my 2,888 subscribers. So I'm gaining for 3,000, but couldn't make it guys. Although there is 5 days, but it needs a lot of work. And important, I am happy what I'm blogging too. So thank you very much, guys. I love you, and I'll keep on blogging to those who are my subscribers and always watching me. So I love you guys. Bye-bye.